problem, it says that we have a boxcar on a train, and it says that the length of that boxcar is 40 feet. So before we go any further, let's set up that dimension there. So it says that the length is 40 feet, and it says that the width is 9 feet. Now it says that there's a scale model of this boxcar made as well, and we don't see that here. So let's draw maybe a picture of that scale model. We're not quite sure how big it is, so we're just going to give it a little guess. And it says that the length of the model is 16 inches. So where would I put the 16? Would I put it here or here? Well, since I chose, it was a choice I made to put the 40 here, and that 40 was a length, I need to put the 16 here because that's also a length. So that's going to be 16. Now, had I chose to put the 40 right here, I suppose that would have been okay, but then I would have had to have put the 16 here. I think that's important to point out. In any case, now we want to find the width of the model. So the actual car, this was the width here, the one going up and down, because that's what I chose. So we want to make the width of the model going in the same direction. So this is the width of the model boxcar, but we don't know what it is, do we? So we're going to put an X right there. And to figure it out, we are going to set up a proportion. And a proportion is just an equal sign with two fractions on each side. On one part of the fraction, we're going to use the real dimensions of the boxcar. So that's going to be 40 and 9. So I'll put a 40 on the top and a 9 on the bottom. That was actually kind of arbitrary. I could have done it either way, but now it's not arbitrary. So the 16 here, I have again a choice to make. Do I put that on the top or do I put it on the bottom? Well, because I made the choice to put the 40 on the top, and the 40 is a length, I also have to put the 16 on the top. And the side that I don't know is that missing width. That's my X, and it's going to go right there. Now we're going to cross multiply and divide like we've done so many times this chapter. So we've got 40 X equals 9 times 16, 144. We'll divide it by 40. So X equals 3.6. They wanted the width of the model, and we have it. It is 3.6 feet.